Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited. I wanted to share with you my process of remaking my little daughter's room. So if you're interested in seeing what I put together and how I do it, please keep watching. So before I began making my baby girl's room, I had everything removed in this room and ready to go. As you can see, it's a little dark because I have the windows partly open because it was super sunny outside. I have this beautiful little pink bed that I got off from IKEA. I wanted to hang something above the bed, and what I was going for here is this pretty little round mirror that I got in some gold accent, and I wanted to put that here. I think it looks super cute, and I got that out of from a seller on Marketplace, but this was originally from a Wayfair. And because this room is not very big, I have some of the items that I want to use already on the bed. So I think the area right here just next to the window is the perfect size for this bed. And on the side here, I didn't want to go too crazy and have lots of things happening, but I really wanted to incorporate some shelves. And I got those wooden shelves from IKEA. They are, I think, they're spice holder racks. And as I was searching on Pinterest, I saw different posts using these shelves, and they were super cute. So I wanted to put some of those in her room, and I really like the color, which is the natural wood color, to show. And as you can see here, I'm going to be using 2 or 3 of these shelves, and I will be placing one upside down so that I can use it as a shelf to put stuff on top of it. So you're going to see that later on during this process. Here I'm going to go ahead and decorate these shelves using, in the bottom shelf right there are some items that I got from Dollar Tree. The little stroller I painted in white, and I also painted in brown some of the wheels just to give some texture and some pop of color. And the top ones I'll be placing some of her soft toys. And then I also have some other items that I want to place, but here I'm just trying to figure out what would look best. Now moving on the wall right next to it, I have this little footprint that I did for her when she was only a few days old, and I really love it, and I wanted to keep it as a piece that I want to see as soon as I enter her room. So this is what I'm going to place here. And ideally what I want to put on this side of the wall is a dresser so that I could fit her clothes, because the closet in this room she's sharing with her brother, so there are lots of clothes, so I want to get a dresser for that. These frames I got from Dollar Tree, and I simply just printed some pictures off of the internet and using my regular printer, and I think they make very inexpensive, beautiful pieces of art that you can use in a nursery room that does not cost anything pretty much. So these frames are just $1 each, and the printables, I got some free printables, and they were super easy to put together. I decided to add this nightstand instead of putting it right next to the bed, just underneath these shelves. I think it would look perfect in this spot here. And just to give some color to this room, I'll be adding some faux fiddle leaf plant right here in a white planter. I think it would look amazing, just giving that pop of color. And I love this placemat that I got from IKEA. It also helps to tie in that natural fibers and the natural elements that I wanted to incorporate in this room. So here I changed the idea of putting a big dresser on this side of the wall. I think it crowded the space too much, and I was able to make room in the closet and have the closet divided in two for her and her brother's clothes to be shared in the same closet. This little set I found off of a seller, and I think she refinished this piece. It looks super cute, and it gives this vintage vibe to her room, and I really wanted to put that so that when she grows up she can use this and sit and just play around pretending to do her hair and whatnot. It's such a cute little vanity, and it's almost like a playset but just a bit bigger, so I think it would be a perfect addition to her room. So moving on to the foot of her bed, there's a little space on the wall. I'm not gonna put shelves on all of the walls in the room. However, this little spot was perfect for some shelves where I could display some of her soft toys, and I wanted to also put some books in here when she would be big enough to read on by herself. She could grab a book and read just before going to bed. I think it's the perfect place for her. So these shelves are from IKEA and they're so inexpensive. I love the wood finish of the brackets and the white shelf that goes when with the rest of the colors of this room makeover, and I think these shelves are the perfect fit for the space. So here I'm just finding some cute stuff around to decorate these shelves, and again keeping in mind that I wanted to keep a very light tone in colors in this room and give some bohemian and natural touches as well. So that's what I'm going to do when I'm thinking about decorating these the shelves right here. So for her room, I really wanted to use some natural colors, some white. I wanted to put some touches of bohemian style as well. So it won't be filmed in this video, but I also found some beautiful baskets that I wanted to hang on the wall just to give that bohemian touch that you'll be seeing at the end when I show some clips of this room. Here I have this beautiful elephant rocker that my kids used in the past, so I'm putting it in her room as well in that little corner. So this is how her room looks at the end. I love how everything turned out. I hope this brings you some inspiration and gives you some ideas as well. If you enjoy watching this video, please leave my video a thumbs up. And until next time everyone, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.